Welcome to Whimsical Wildlife, where I will bring your artistic imagination to life. Today, I'll show you how to draw a charming deer tangled in colorful Christmas lights. This is pretty famous picture, so let's get started. I have already made a rough sketch of the deer, and you feel free to pause and copy. We will start by tracing the edges of deer and his antlers and coloring with dark and light brown, paying attention to the light and shadows. So I think this picture it's pretty famous on the internet, so it's in many versions, and I think it is not very hard when you know how to draw this. So now where the light is, I putting light brown, and where is the dark or shadows, I will put dark brown. So now I just go around the edges because I wanted to show you where to put what. And when you drawing animal skin, you not the skin, the fur, you always need to draw with one hair. Uh, but first color everything and then show with darker color one by one hair on the edges of the animal. And then you, on this way, you will get this effect of animal fur. So now I'm coloring around antlers with a little bit of darker brown, and I think this is very beautiful picture. I see this picture in so many ways, and in Photoshop, in drawing, in watercolor, and in all these ways is so nice and pretty, and especially for the holidays. This is a little bit of ugly face of this picture because we want to show where the light is, and when we the color over this light uh, that part of the animal will be even more even more darker in the shadow like it should be. So for now we will leave the nose uh, and the part of the eye a little bit white because this we want to show the wetness of the nose and the eye on this way. And little ear also have little hairs, and you will see on the end this will be a beautiful picture. So when you draw this, you can tag me if you want. And on this way I will see and I can comment your work. And that will be very much pleasure for me to see that somebody is watching and that I helped to someone who wants to learn how to draw. If it's too quick for you, you can uh, you can a little bit of pause or a little bit of slow down the video. Whatever you like. We are not here to get something except fun from these tutorials. Now I'm adding the shadows and these little hairs of fur. And there we will uh, connect everything this together with this drawing stamp, uh, which will give us possibility to push the color in the paper. Now it's a little bit with eraser, so where you want to be a little bit of lighting, so you can erase this part, and that is the best way to show a lighter part of the drawing. So now it's time to create the tangled Christmas lights. Uh, Starting by drawing a small cycle near the ear's antler in different colors, whatever you like. Just first the little bulbs and light around these bulbs like a little circle. So from there you can let your imagination run wild. Whatever you like, whatever you want. For the Christmas lights, you can add little hearts or in different colors, or you can only put one color. I wanted to show these beautiful colors I have, so I think on this way for me is the best. So wrap the lines around the deer's antler, making sure to crisscross them for that tangled effect. I do this with a dark green color because whenever I see Christmas lights, they was on dark green, so you can put whatever color you want. So I pushing this color in with this colorless blender. But if you don't have this, you don't have. You can uh, do this with paper also. So now a little bit of gel pens for some wet effect or lighting effect. If you don't have, you don't have. Never mind. To make the lights pop and to be vibrant colors to each bulb, uh, let add a bit of this dark, this black pen around the bulbs. Let your creativity shine through. as you choose your favorite holiday hues. Finally, add some twinkling highlights to bring these lights to life. A few specks of white here and there will make them dazzle. And there you have it, an enchanting deer entangled in Christmas lights, whimsical picture. Feel free to add any finishing touches or the details and a little bit of background. I add some blue and uh, pink to the background, like deer is, but very light. So that is all. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delightful drawing tutorials and happy holidays. Bye!